Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Kathleen Co, Queen of Country, and Lina Twirls and Swirls 1, one of my favorite plates. I've started this manicure off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and this is Queen of Country. This is in honor of Miss Dolly Parton. Pretty! This is a beautiful, beautiful polish. Love, love, love this purple. I mean, what's not to love about it? Look how shimmery, shiny, pretty that is. And bright. Love it. I'm going to cap my free edge here real quick. Dun, 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 dun. So pretty. Alrighty, we're going to go in for a second coat of Queen of Country. And this will bring this one full coverage for me. There we go. We're going to top it off with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Going to get this one to dry down so that we can do some stamping. I know, y'all aren't shocked. We do a lot of stamping here. Capping that free edge with the top coat there. And there we have it. Here's my swatch photo of it on its own. And here we go with Twirls and Swirls 01 by Lina. I'm going to start off with these two. I thought I was just going to do two nails. On the black from Bases Loaded Lacquer and Pure Ice, Silver Mercedes will be our polishes today that we're stamping with. And I've got my Konad stamper out and my HLI Corsadora scraper. Yep, I thought I was just going to do 2 accent nails or 3 accent nails, but I end up going crazy on it, y'all. Sorry. So there we go, using that little piece of tape to get up these extras and fuzzies and whatever came off. I don't know what was on that stamper. We're going to stamp them in black first. And we're going to clean the plate off here in just a minute. Since I'm using this kind of like flip-flop image, I've got one for, that points one way and one that's going to point the other way. I love, love, love it when they do images like this on stamping plates. Especially for those of you that can, behave and just do accent nails. That makes them look really good. Alright, so I've cleaned that stamping plate off with pure acetone. And now I'm going in with the Silver Mercedes from Pure Ice. And it's not a stamping polish, but this is one of my all-time favorites. Because it works so good. Alright, now to see if we can line this up. Trying to get it together, and I think I covered it up a little bit too much, but we're going to roll with it. Got a little bit of the black sneaking out. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I always clean that plate off with pure acetone. And I am using it to get off that excess. There we go, get that out of the way. So see, I do these 2 accent nails, and then I just go crazy after that. Gonna line that up and stick it on. There we go. Alrighty, come on. There we go. So I've decided just to move around the plate a little bit and use a couple of other images off of this plate. And this one's going to go on my thumbnail. I like this image though. I think it's really cute. Kind of like a little scrolly thing across the tip, kind of like a fancy French tip. Get that plate back to where it needs to be, and then we're going to go over it with the silver, just like we did the other nails. And this polish, you don't get to see it in any of the video or in my swatch photos, but when I was driving and the light would hit it, I would see this like yellow and green, blue flash in it. It was blowing my mind. Some things you just can't capture on the camera. And I do hate that because I like sharing everything I can with you. But, oh man, I'd stop and stare at my nails driving to work. It's a wonder I didn't end up getting in trouble. But I only did it at red lights and stop signs, I promise. Cleaning that plate off again. I'm just going to go ahead and do that same image, and I'm going to put that on the pinky nail. Just got to figure out how to turn it around to make it, you know. So, yep, turn that rascal around some, girl. And there we go. But I really did enjoy this manicure. I like that I left enough of the base polish open so that I could see that beautiful purple underneath. I didn't go just too crazy. But like I said, you guys know, sometimes I just can't stop myself. And that's what happened with this manicure. I had the best intentions of, you know, a couple accent nails, you know. Didn't happen. Alright, so we're going to line this silver up and plop it onto that nail. And then we're going to do it one more time. Once more. And I really did enjoy this manicure. It was fun to wear, fun to look at, fun to do in the beginning. But here we go. Okay, I gotta figure out how I got it. There we go. Ta-da! Alright, we are all stamped up. I'm gonna clean this plate off and get it put away. If I can get it off. It's stuck to my little mat, which I also clean my mat with the pure acetone. I'm going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And then once it's totally dry, I'm going in with my Poshe quick dry top coat and sealing everything in. Ta-da! Cap that free edge, don't forget. There we go. Loving it, loving it. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.